Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Cam coming at you with a little bit different video today as I have a game tonight. I have to coach and it's out of town, so I'll have to leave right at the close today. So this video is coming out right about noon as power's starting. That's when it's going to be recorded. But we'll jump into just AMC real quick. So AMC kind of dead today, so made that big video about it yesterday. Got a lot of views on it, so I appreciate you guys taking the time to view that video. Got some different answers and responses on the comments of where people thought the stock was going today, and the comment that was on there, it could be right at 1401. That's looking where we're at, right? So pre-market couldn't get over 14.4, 14 and a half area has been resistance. You know, there's a lot of call options there, but we sold off right away first thing in the morning as the market tanked this morning, right? So just touch on those two. The S&P bounced back, NASDAQ bounced back, but Dow is a little red, so it might end the day mixed, large indices wise. But AMC sold off first thing in the morning, found support, low 13.3s, bounces right back up, and then we've basically been trading flat right this $14 area all day. So going into the close, that's where the battle's going to be at 1 o'clock. So to see if we can close right above 14 to get those $14 calls to strike to be in the money, that's going to be of interest. But either way, if we go to the weekly, right, so basically $3 move on the weekly, 27% gain on the week, still very solid. So the top plays today, so Clovis Oncology, they're up on positive news for a phase 3 study shows improvement in progression-free survival of ovarian cancer patients. So this company's been a favorite on multiple Discord, financial Twitter, stock twits for a while, but we get good run off this morning. 5.4 curls back into the moving averages, takes off like a rocket on the open, presses all the way up to 8.4, pulls back here to the 22 on the 5-minute chart, runs again up to 895. Tried to hold the 22 one more time, just couldn't break up the 895s, right? So we got a lot of long wicks up here in the upper 8s, and rolled over here later in the afternoon. If you go to the daily, you see that it's been beaten down pretty severely. So we had this run through January, beginning of February, and then there's multiple short seller reports that came out on it, and since it's down lower from 11 bucks, and you see up here in the 8s, we did have some volume in that area from the prior move, so that volume acted as overhead resistance, pushes back down. You see $8 got a little bit of level of prior resistance, and then if you just look at here on the move, you had a lot of consolidation in the low 8s, acting as resistance. And then NFT stocks still going again. I'm probably gonna do a video on NFTs, kind of explaining what they are and the stocks that are moving with them this weekend. So, but ZKIN is the company that's getting in on the NFT craze. So if you watch, Tom Nash actually has a video on ZKIN where somebody came to him offering like $40,000 to promote the stock, pump the stock, and that actually caused this. It didn't cause it, but that happened right here during this downtrend. So that video came out at the end of February time frame. You can find it on his channel. He talks about it. He doesn't actually know if the person was affiliated with the company or not, but it happened. But anyways, so they jumped on the NFT hype, and just see here on the daily, just massive increase in volume. So 83 million shares a day compared to 7 and 11 million. So basically that put in all that volume from today, and just on the chart, so it spiked pre-market 4 a.m. basically 4 a.m. time frame. On the news, pulled back to moving averages and started going higher. So this also caused TCAT and OCG to move as well. You see really good cup action here mid morning, got up to that 14.6, sold off later, tried to cup again, but handle couldn't form, sell off, and looks like we're gonna try to see if we can use this $11 consolidation area from the morning as support here in the close. Also have the 200 on the 5-minute coming in, where we got kind of a doji hammer. So I'd like to see if this area will hold moving forward. VUZI is another name that's been running quite a bit. I was actually looking at this, hopefully trying to get it to come up a little bit higher in 28.5, 28.4 area. It looks like it's not going to get there. It's going to roll over more on the 3-minute chart. I have this up on my interactive brokers right now. So the 9 eventually pulled this down right into that area. Right about the time I made this video, so that would have been a great spot to make an entry. But VUZI's been up on their smart glass tech for the last couple of weeks. Just steady chugging up here. So beginning of March, got a high, pulled back the first week, and then moved higher, pulled back into the moving average. Volumes have been increasing. Now we're up to hit 29.59 today, and that would be its high. So if we just make a huge move here, make the fib level to this 93-cent area, if I can get it right there. Right, so pretty considerable move up. You can make the fibs another one. I'll probably talk about it in a later video, but strong price action all day today. Right, basically held the 5 all through the mid morning. Try to get the 22, and then kind of have a 3-bar play here. Didn't break off the top, so sold off hard. Pull down. See if we can. We just had a drop here in the last 2 minutes, right to 27.60. So we'll see if this 5-minute 50 moving average holds for VUZI going to the close. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Trying to make it shorter, about 6 minutes. Like I said, apologize for not being here at the end of the close. We only got 2 more games left for football in this shortened COVID season here in Washington State for high school. But after that, be here full time at 1 o'clock making videos. Let me know in the comments if there's companies you'd like me to look at over the weekend for videos to make. Right now I'm looking at doing AMC again, obviously. Probably these NFT plays, maybe the EV market, and cannabis once again. Those are kind of the sectors that are rotating through in cycles again. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.